Request him to come on the stage to accept a small token of gratitude for his excellent delivery of the discourse.
Good morning. Dr. Swaminathan gave a very beautiful explanation on the Kriti Surya Murti. So I will just start with the beneficial aspects of Surya to mankind. Surya is the Atma Karaka. He represents the soul of a person. The Surya dwells within the hearts of all of us as our inner light and life. He is the giver of life, Pranadatta. Surya is the greatest benefactor, Karma Yogi, since he charges the whole world with energy and vitality. There's a saying, Arogyam Bhaskarat Ichet. This means one desires of longevity and good health should worship Surya. Surya Namaskaram cures severe illnesses, cleanses devotees of sins, bestows progeny, wealth, good health and long life. Surya is also the Pitra Karaka, or governs the life and prosperity of the native's father. Selected instances of blessings bestowed by Suryan are: Suryan blesses devotees with knowledge. He bestowed Shukla Yajurvedam to Yajnavalkya. Suryan bestows wealth. He gave Shamantaka jewel to Satyajit, Satyamama's father. Suryan provides plenty of food and amenities. He gave the Akshaya vessel to the Pandavas during the Vanavas. Suryan grants fearlessness. Lord Rama belonged to Raghuvamsham, worshipping the family deity Surya. Sage Agastya taught Aditya Hridayam to Sri Rama, the mantra which describes the supreme attributes of Surya. Reciting this mantra ensured that Sri Rama won the battle against Ravana and killed him. The motherly divine aspect of Surya is Gayatri. The Gayatri mantra is most powerful and auspicious, granting liberation to mankind. The next Kriti, Chandram Bhajamanasa Sadhu Hridaya Sadrisham. O mind, sing the praise of Chandran, who glows with a cool light like the heart of good and pious souls. You are one who is worshipped by Indra and other Lokapalakas. You are the Lord of Tara, stars, and has 16 kalas from Amavasya to Purnima. You are the creator of the night and brother of Lakshmi, Indira Sahodaram. Constantly sing in praise of Chandran. Shankara Mauri Vibhushanam Shita Kirana. You are the ornament of Lord Shiva's crest. You radiate Amrit nectar like cool rays. You have 4 arms and Manmada, god of love, as your parasol. You are the cause of nightfall and glorious eyes of Venkatesh flower, which blooms by day. You are the face of Brahma and Guru and have the figure resembling their hair. You are subject to curse and blessings of Brihaspati. Sarash Chandrika Dhavala Prakasha Gatra. Your body shines with snowy white rays of the autumn moon. You adorn Kankana, Keyura, necklace, garland and crown. You are the beloved of star Rohini. The beneficial aspects of Chandran to mankind. Chandran is a loving cosmic deity pleasing to children and is considered as mother who radiates nectar, Amrit. Chandran illuminates the night. Chandran strengthens the mind and purifies the blood. Worshipping of the Graha is beneficial for relief from sorrows and helps in curing mental afflictions. Chandran's cool rays radiate happiness. Selection of auspicious day and time. For this, Chandra Balam and Tara Balam are very important. Please refer to the booklet for details. The position of Chandran indicates feelings, sensitivity, receptivity, caring, and nurturing attitude in life. A well-positioned Chandran imparts the grace of Divine Mother, giving spiritual faith, love, and attitude of surrender, peace, and happiness. He causes us to live for higher principles with life dedicated to performing good actions and sweet, tolerant disposition. Chandran as the mind is indicative of the capacity to understand every situation, thoughts and actions, and mental attitude. Chandran indicates personality of the individual. Chandran is the Matra Karaka, who governs the life and prosperity of the native's mother. Hindu birthdays are celebrated in the month of birth when Chandran enters the same Rasi as at the time of the native's birth. It's my pleasure to invite Mrs. Usha Char and students. They will be singing Kriti Suryamurthy and Chandram Balimanasi.